In this video, we will present to you the option how to select a warehouse at receiving, when processing a work order. When processing a work order, this feature enables you to select a different receiving warehouse than that which is predefined for the document type. Let's see an example. As the responsible person, you are processing different work orders. For a product in progress, you want to receive the manufactured quantity to a specific warehouse. Open the receiving, define the quantity, and continue with selecting the warehouse. The default warehouse is defined in the document type. However, in this case, you want to select a different receiving warehouse, and with authorizations of the responsible person, you can select a warehouse different to the one defined in the document type. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.